What is up, first? This is Shady Tech, and today I'm just going to do a quick video showing you the tutorial of how you can set up your Samsung Smart TV to other regions. And this is my kind of controller. I think it's kind of dark, you cannot see here, but alright, so the region that I'm on right now is my own local region, which is Malaysia, and you can see that the regions or the apps you can find here is pretty bare, I would say. Just Netflix, Prime, Amazon Prime, HBO, Apple TV, YouTube Gallery, and internet itself. Not much going on here, and if I go down below, cannot even go down below because there's just nothing at all. Even in the Samsung apps, it's pretty bare bones. It's only for the region of Malaysia here. As you can see, not much choice, but some of you may notice, some of you don't. If you go to settings, and right over here, device care, or you can also go to all settings. I'll just go to all settings to make you guys better understand. And you go down to I believe it is called support, and you can find device care here also. Just click on the device care. So this is the device care. You go over to self-diagnosis, and right here you just go and search for these options right on the right at the bottom here, called reset smart hubs. Just click on it, and your default pin should be 000, as is the default one. Just press that and it will reset all settings. Alright, so okay, so this is the page itself again, and you can see that there's a terms and policy setup, and just quickly go through the setup again. Alright, this is the page you have to where you can start to tweak around the regions. As you can see here, it says terms and conditions, privacy policy. Just wait for it to load, and then here is the trick. See your controller here. Some of you might have the smart controller, but this one is this is the one I got. You have to remember this, which you have to press mute, volume up, channel up, and mute again. Wait for a couple of seconds, and there's these things. Yeah, that's it. That's the internet service location setup. And once again, it is a mute, volume up, channel up, and mute. And you just wait for a couple of seconds until this one pop out. So I believe US region has one of the most settings and one of the most options you can get. So let's just quickly go all the way down to U and search for United States region. Alright, so once again, you just have to accept everything, and if you would like to, you can set up the Samsung account or not. If not, you just can skip it as you wish. For this one, just agree it all. Okay, so what's now? Wait for a few seconds for it to load it. So something like, right, so this is the decision you click by define and choose anyway. Once again, see this, once again, it's a news, volume up, channel up, and again, for the options for voice should pop up. God, it's taking a bit longer than I had assumed. Alright, so finally, as you can see, it's done. Alright, so you're gonna greet with US regions now. And right away, this is the US region. You can get the Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, Vudu, Gallery, and internet. But what's more interesting is if you press down. Alright, so okay, you go to apps. Also, there's much more apps you can download in the Samsung App Store for US region, where you cannot get in other region. Also, you can just browse around what suits your boots or what suits your shoes. I don't know what I don't know the expressions for it, but yeah, get the idea. So this is the US region, or you can choose to other regions. I think US or UK or probably Canada has one, you know, the options or option you can get from this Samsung Smart TV. So this is it. That's the tree you can use. And this is the tech. Until next video to come. See you soon.